So for week 7, LC1, using the formula for h and k to transform yung quadratic function na y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c into the vertex form, which is y is equal to a parenthesis x minus h parenthesis squared plus k. So instead of using yung long method para ma-transform this standard form o this quadratic function into ang vertex form, gagamit na lang tayo ng formula para sa h at saka sa k para malaman natin ano yung value ng h dito at saka ng k. Yung a is, hindi mo na kailangan i-solve kasi yung value ng a niya is makikita mo na dito sa may possible na given o dito sa may standard form. Kung ano yung value ng a na yan, yun yung value ng a na ilalagay mo dito. So hindi mo kinukompute yan, kinukopya mo lang dito. So basically, ang kinukompute lang natin yung h at saka yung k. So for number 1, let's have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. So yung first step na gagawin natin dyan is to identify yung values ng a, b, and c. Kasi yun ang ilalagay natin dito sa may formula ng h at saka formula ng k. So for number 1, yung value ng a natin will be 1. Yung b will be negative 6. And then yung c is positive 8. Now, yung next question is, ano yung values na ilalagay natin dito sa may position ng A? Ano yung value na ilalagay natin dito sa may H? Ano yung value na ilalagay natin para dito sa may K? So, after natin identify yung values ng A, B, and C, gagamitin na natin yung formula para ma-solve yung H at saka yung K, which is nandito. So, inahin natin yung H. So, yung formula ng H is negative B over 2A. H is equal to negative B over 2A. So, titignan natin yung values ng A, B, C, N natin para i-substitute sa values of B and A. So, yung B natin is equal to negative 6 over 2, and then yung A natin is just 1. So, let's simplify. Di ba meron tayong dalawang negative na magkatabi? Yung isa nasa labas ng parenthesis, yung isa yung negative nung negative 6. So, iba pa yung negative dun sa formula, iba pa yung negative dito sa may B. So, meron kang negative sa formula, meron ka pang negative dun sa B. So, meron kang dalawang negative. So, pag meron kang negative na magkatabi, pwede mo palitan yan ng positive side. So, magiging positive 6 over 2 times 1 is just 2. So next, h is equal to positive 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So may value na tayo para sa h, which is yung 3. Next. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung h natin is positive, pagdating dito, negative 3 na. So again, tulad sa ginawa natin sa previous video, yung sign dito will be opposite of this one, of this value. So kung negative 3 yan, ilalagay mo dito positive 3. Kung negative 3 yan, dito magiging positive. Kung positive yan, dito magiging negative. So in this case, yung value ng h natin is positive. So therefore, yung value ng h natin dito will be negative. So this is h. Next, ano naman ang value para dito sa may k? So yung formula na gagamitin natin will be this one, 4ac minus b squared minus 4a. So medyo mas mahaba yung sa may k. So k is 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Now, using the values na nakuha natin doon sa given, yung values ng A, B, and C, lalagay natin doon sa my formula. So, 4, parenthesis, this is A natin is 1, C natin is 8, minus b natin is negative 6 squared, tama? Minus b. Ito yung b natin, negative 6. So meron kang negative na operation tapos, o minus na operation tapos yung b. Yung b mo is negative 6. So dalawa yung negative sign mo dun. And then yung squared. Over 4. And then yung a natin is 1. Now we simplify. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 8, that is 32. Next, this time hindi mo pwedeng multiply yung dalawang negative sign para maging positive. Kasi kailangan mo munang unahin yung exponent. Using PEMDAS, mauna muna yung exponent bago ka mag-multiply sa labas. So, ang gagawin mo dun sa negative 6 na naka-raise sa 2, i-multiply mo yun sa sarili niya ng dalawang beses. So, magiging negative 6 times negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 6, that is positive 36. So, naging positive na yung negative 6 natin dahil dun sa may exponent na 2. So, hindi mo pwedeng pagsamahin itong dalawa. Ito muna, yung exponent. So, negative 6 times negative 6, that is positive 36, all over 4. Next, 32 minus 36, that is negative 4 over 4, tama? 32 minus 36, that is negative 4 kasi mas mataas yung 36 which is negative. Kung ano yung sign, kung ano yung operation before the number, yun na din yung sign niya. So yung sign ng 36 is yung negative. So 32 tsaka positive 32 tsaka negative 36, that will give you negative 4. Now divided by 4. That will be negative 1. So yung value ng k mo is negative 1. So ilalagay mo dito negative 1. Now, ano yung value ng k? Yung value ng k mismo yung ito. So this is 1. Positive 1. So, kung i-rewrite natin para mas maayos tingnan, magiging y. Yung 1, pwede mo nang mag-isulat. Wait, di ato makikita dito. Y. Yung 1, kahit wag mo isulat, okay lang. Understood, meron kong 1 dito. X minus 3 squared minus 1. Now, instead of using the longer solution na diniscuss natin sa isa pang video, gagamit ka na lang dito ng formula para sa h at saka para sa k para masolve mo yung value h and k. So, pag ginamit mo yung long method o yung long solution para i-convert to into vertex form, pag i-convert mo to, ito din magiging sura niya. Okay, next number, or next example, 47 LC1. So let's say we have y is equal to negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. So again, identify muna natin yung values ng a, b, and c. So, a natin, dito negative tama, tapos may 1 ka, so this is negative 1. B natin is 6. C natin is negative 8. Now, using the formula para sa h, negative b over 2a. h now is, b natin is 6, so this is 6 over 2. Yung a natin is negative 1. So let's simplify. Negative 6. 2 times negative 1, this is negative 2. H natin is negative 6 divided by negative 2, that is positive 3. So again, sa division, pag nag-divide ka, kapag parehas yung sign ng numerator tsaka denominator, positive yung answer. Pag magkaiba to ng sign, negative yung answer. Kapag parehas, positive. So ito yung value natin para sa H. Paano naman yung sa K? K K natin is 4AC minus B squared over 4A. So 4 is constant, A natin is negative 1, C natin is negative 8 minus B natin is 6 squared all over 4A. Yung A natin is negative 1. So let's simplify. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 8. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 8, that is positive 32. Minus 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. Over 32 minus 36 over 4 times negative 1, this is negative 40. Next, 32 minus 36, that is negative 4 over negative 4. Now, negative 4 over negative 4, that is, para sa nilang sign, negative 4 divided by negative 4, this is simply 1. Positive 4. So kung i-construct na natin yung vertex form, anong kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ng value sa A, value sa H, at saka yung K. So, yung A natin magagaling dito. So this is negative 1. Or simply, negative sign na lang. Pag 1 ay nakalagay doon, pwede mo nang ilagay yung 1, number 1. Negative sign na lang. Next, yung H, which is negative 3. Opposite yung sign. So, tignan natin 6, negative 6, positive 6, 3, negative 3. Next, yung K, this will be positive 1. So, again, kabaligtaran yung sign. Yung H dito is positive, pagdating doon dapat negative. Yung K as it is, yung positive dito, positive din doon. Yung A, makukuha mo dito. Yung 1, pwede mo nang maglagay. Kung 1 lang naman yung number, huwag mo na ilagay. Yung sign na lang na negative sign. So, ito na yung vertex form natin. So, doon sa vertex form, malalaman mo na ano yung vertex ng graph na pag kinraph mo yan. So, yung vertex would be 3. Yung opposite ng sign dito would be positive 3. And then yung K, which is 1. Yan yung vertex na. Okay, next problem for grade 7 LC1, number 3. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. So, i-convert natin yung quadratic function na yan into a vertex form. So, again, first step is identify muna natin yung values ng A, B, and C. So, A natin is 2, B natin is negative 4, C natin is 5. Now, using the formula for H, negative B, 2A, negative B is negative 4. So again, yung negative do sa formula at saka yung negative nung value ng B is magkaiba pa. So meron kang dalawang negative sign. Yung negative para do sa formula at saka yung negative nung value ng B over to A. Yung A natin is 2. Then you simplify. Negative times negative 4, that is positive 4. 2 times 2, that is 4, and then H. 4 divided by 4, this is 1. So H natin is 1. Next, para doon sa K, which is 4AC minus B squared over 4A. So 4, that is a constant term. A natin is 2. C natin is 5 minus B, which is negative 4 squared. Tama? B is negative 4 all over 4A. Yung A natin is 2. Then we simplify. 4 times 2, that is 8. 8 times 5, that is 40. Minus negative 4 times negative 4, that is positive 16 over 4 times 2, that is 8. Next, 40 minus 16. This is 40 minus 16. 24. So this is 24 over 8. So 24 divided by 8, that is 3. So next, i-construct natin yung vertex form. So sa vertex form, kailangan nyo ng value ng A at saka yung K. Yung A, yung H at saka yung K. So yung A natin is makikita natin dito, which is yung A. Siya yung value dito, which is 2. Yung H, which is this one, is negative 1. Kung positive yung H natin dito, yung value ng H natin dito will be negative. Magkabaliktad yung sign. So in case na this is negative, this will be positive. Now, since this is positive, this will be negative. Next, ano yung value ng K natin? Yung value ng K natin would be positive 3. So kung anong sign niya dito, yun na yung sign niya sa taas. So this is positive 3, therefore this is also positive 3. So ito na yung vertex form natin. So yung vertex natin is negative 1 at saka positive 3. So ito yung vertex na mag-graph natin.